In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of the Bitcoin Lightning Network and walking you through the process of transferring Bitcoin from a wallet to another wallet using the Lightning Network. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what the Lightning Network is and why it's such a game changer for Bitcoin transactions. It's a second layer scaling solution that makes transactions faster and more cost effective, perfect for our cross-exchange transfer. For this tutorial, we'll be using my Binance wallet to send Bitcoin to Kraken using the Bitcoin Lightning Network. To follow along, you can download and set up both wallets on your device. And if you don't already have an account, you can go to the links in the description and start your own account today. You should already have some Bitcoin in your wallet if you want to send Bitcoin to another wallet using the Bitcoin Lightning Network. From the Bitcoin wallet page, go to Withdraw Crypto, and from here, you will need to enter the address of the recipient wallet in which you want to send Bitcoin using the Bitcoin Lightning Network. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy and paste your Bitcoin wallet address from Kraken to Binance so that you can efficiently transfer Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. From the Kraken dashboard, locate Deposit and go to BTC Bitcoin. Next, select Network and go to Lightning. Make sure to read the terms of service before continuing. So the Lightning Network sort of functions like an invoice. So in order to deposit Bitcoin from your Binance wallet or another wallet directly to the Kraken wallet, you'll need to enter the exact amount that you want to deposit. Then Kraken will automatically create an invoice memo that you can use to transfer your Bitcoin over to Kraken. So in this example, I've entered in the exact amount of BTC that I want to deposit. Now, go ahead and generate a deposit request. You will immediately receive a deposit request address in which you can use to directly transfer Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. So go back over to Binance and paste your deposit request directly into the address box. The network will automatically switch to Lightning and the address will automatically switch to invoice. As you can see, the exact withdrawal amount is exactly the amount that we specified previously on Kraken. Hit withdraw, and now you'll be able to withdraw your Bitcoin directly to another wallet using the Bitcoin Lightning Network. After you have transferred your Bitcoin to another network, you can see your most recent transaction under recent withdrawals. Back on Kraken, you can see that your Bitcoin deposited almost instantaneously into your wallet. And there you have it. You successfully transferred Bitcoin from a Bitcoin wallet to another Bitcoin wallet using the Lightning Network. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your crypto buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting crypto content. Until next time, happy Lightning transactions.